Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our topic is sound and subtopic is audible frequency range. SLOs of this topics are describe audible frequency range, describe the uses of ultrasound. Audible frequency range. What is audible frequency range? The range of the frequencies which a human ear can hear is called the audible frequency range. A normal human ear can hear a sound only if its frequency lies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. That means less than 20 Hz we can't hear the sound, and after 20,000 Hz we also cannot hear the sound. Ultrasound. Ultrasounds have frequency more than 20,000 Hz. That is why we cannot hear the ultrasonic the ultrasounds. Sounds of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, which are inaudible to normal human ear, are called ultrasound or ultrasonic. Ultrasonic waves carry more energy and higher frequency than audible sound waves. The wavelength of ultrasonic wave is very small and is very useful for detecting very small objects. Because that the wavelength is very small, so it is very easy to penetrate the ultrasonic waves into the objects and find out the defect of the object. Uses of ultrasound. There are so many uses of ultrasound in medical field, in industries, in technical field, etc. In medical field, ultrasonic waves are being used to diagnose and treat different ailments. For diagnosis of different diseases, ultrasonic waves are made to enter the human body through the transmitters. These waves are reflected differently by different organs, tissues, and tumors, etc. The reflected waves are then amplified to form an image of the internal organs of the body on the screen. Amplified means bigger, larger, to form an image. Ultrasonic waves are used for the scaling of teeth. Scaling of teeth means to remove the plaque from the teeth because of the high vibration, because of the intense vibration. It can be removed. It's remove the plaque from the teeth or dirt from the teeth. Powerful ultrasonics are used to remove blood clots formed in the arteries because of vibration. If blood clots are present in the arteries, then vibration loses the clots and the blood runs through the arteries. The kidney stones can be crushed and removed out from through urine with the help of ultrasonic waves without any surgery. Ultrasonic waves are used not only to find the sex of baby but also to find its physical abnormalities before birth in the womb of the mother. Ultrasonic can also be used to get the picture of thyroid gland for diagnosis purpose. What can also be used to get the picture of thyroid gland for diagnosis purpose. In technical field, the other use of ultrasonics are in technical field. The resources of oil and gas beneath the earth are searched by using ultrasounds. Due to excessive use, cracks appear in the interior of the moving parts of high-speed heavy machines such as turbines, engines of ships and aeroplanes. These cracks are not visible our naked eyes from outside, but they can be very dangerous. Such cracks can be detected by ultrasounds. Germs and bacteria in liquids can also be destroyed by using high intensity ultrasonic waves. Ultrasound is used to locate underwater depth or is used for locating objects lying deep on the ocean floor, etc. The technique is called sonar sound navigation and ranging. Sonar means sound navigation and ranging. With the help of this the sonar technique, we can find out the objects underwater. The sound waves are sent from a transmitter and the receiver collects the reflected sound. The time lapse is called calculated knowing the speed of sound in water. The distance of object from the ocean surface can be estimated. So with the help of the sonar the technique, we can also find out the depth of the river or ocean. Sonar ranging is also used to see the shape and size of the object. Okay, guys, I hope you can understand the uses of ultrasound. Thank you.